What's up guys, I am Jet and welcome you all to your next favorite tech channel Man of Technology. In this video, I will test 10 plus cache cleaner and find out the best one for you. So let's start. While testing, I look at some points. User performance of the app, it is battery saver or not, internet connection required or not, provide antivirus protection or not, really boost the phone or not, various utilities, what type of permission is asking for and some other things. You can see that I've already installed 10 plus popular cache cleaner in my device. I test all the apps and pick the top one for you. I'm not going to show all the tests in front of you cause video will be longer. I will only review the best one. You can directly download the app from the link in description or you can find it in Google Play Store also. So my first choice is Clean Master. I found it most useful than any other app in Play Store. It's not only your cache cleaner but also you can use it as an antivirus. It has also some awesome features like app lock and Wi-Fi security. You can see that this app already downloaded 1 billion times and rating is 4.7, which is really high. If you are using a loop-in device, you can try the lite version of it. I already tested the lite version and it works fine for me. I found some problems in this app also. Showing at all time is really boring. By the way, you can take premium version to remove the advertisement. If you think CleanMaster is not perfect, you can try CCleaner. It's my second choice. You can monitor your RAM by the help of this app. If you want, you can also try it. So friends, if you found this video is helpful, please give a like. It will motivate me to upload more videos. Now come to the reality. Practically I noticed that all the cache cleaner app don't do so much things. They all just show you that your smartphone is boosting. Many wrong and misleading information I found in all apps, and I don't know why some apps are asking for contact or location info. It is better that you maintain your smartphone manually. Using pre-install optimizer is enough in this case. If you want to know how can you maintain your smartphone perfectly, leave a comment and I will definitely make a video on it. Finally, subscribe my channel and ring the bell button to get notification when I will release the new video. Thank you so much to watch the video fully. Please keep supporting me and provide your valuable opinion.